Hi there, I'm Arnel, member of MMM Philippines. So what is MMM Philippines? MMM, a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. A peer-to-peer participants donation transfer directly to the account of the other members. Assigned system rewards called Mabro by active participants and managers. MMM, it's not a bank, business, company, nor investment. It has no central account. We do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the recipient's account. No promises, no guarantee. Besides, this our donation to those participants who join the community that need help. There is no law that says donation is illegal. Okay, what you will get in MMM? It has a 30% growth per month of your provided help. Referral bonus, 10% of provided help by the person invited to join MMM. Registration bonus, up to $10, $50, and $100. 20% to 100% growth with MMM Extra. Manager's bonus, leadership bonus, and others. How does it work? Donation is 1,000. You will receive Mabro equivalent to your donation. You will get 1,000 Mabros. The current growth rate of Mabro is 30% per month. It will continue to grow until you decide to get help from the community. MMM also has this new MMM Extra wherein your Mabros can grow up to 100%. How do we send and receive donations? We use Bitcoin in sending and receiving donation. You may create your Bitcoin wallet at blockchain.info. So what is the goal of MMM? Help all the people in the world create a new paired financial relationship in the community, financial literacy, stop economic slavery, financial freedom. The founder of MMM is Mr. Sergey Mavrudi, founder and leader of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. He having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating systems of Russian computer technology. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. MMM. Be part of the community. Together we can change the world.